Started? Okay. Hey guys, we're going to do the handcuffed COD challenge. It's very hard. I'm starting. They go behind us. And we're playing as a ripper. I haven't played this in a long time. So we're going to go to public match. Let's see. Wait, what is this? Oh yeah, we're going to... No, we're not. No, the ripper. We're doing the ripper, right? Or not?
There's a drive out from the fire break.
What do you, okay. What do you want to do? You go over here. Okay, go up. Alright. Starting. And Andy, go behind us.
It's fine.
Can you hear it? What did you say? Can you hear it? Can you hear it?
You hear it?
Alright, we're doing infection. Blah, 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 whatever. Okay, we have heat wave. At least one heat wave is on our team.
We have a hive, we have gravity spikes, and active camo and physicist.
Psychosis.
As you can see, they're still handcuffed.
Psychosis.
Cameraman's don't talk. Cameraman's don't talk.
Psychiatrist.
Cameraman's like the main character of the whole video. As you can see,
I love it.
as you can see, I'm the cameraman.
No! Oh, my hand hurts, but who cares?
Press X.
I'm so good. Hey, we actually can't do that. I'm so confused. I need to really turn my screen
To
down.
the side.
So hard.
You have very high sensitivity.
I know, I have really high sensitivity because I like spinning around and throwing axes in people's heads. You do that there.
Oh, I saw someone. I saw someone. Over there!
Okay, let's change the sensitivity.
Options, network.
Control. Looks sensitivity. We're going
5. Medium 4.
Alright, we're going medium 4.
Let's go.
That's way better. It's easy to do this when you're on your own, but handcuffed, it hurts. Oh, wait, no. Oh my gosh.
We're not seeing them.
I seen that, but it was like...
I saw that also. Press X.
Oh my...
Fly.
Oh, wait. There's someone over here.
Wait.
Fire! What the heck? Well, that came out of nowhere.
X.
Okay, now I got it. Get out of here. Dang it.
You guys should play hardcore team deathmatch.
Oh, wait. No, I didn't mean turn around for you to turn around. What the heck? Oh, we got, wait, what? That was,
No!
we got assist on that.
Why?
How do we get assist on that? Okay, when I say aim, we aim. Here you go, run in. Ready? Okay, ready?
No, thanks. Oh, thanks.
They'll hear us. There's someone over there! Mayday! Pilot's down! Run up the wall,
You have to do that.
I know. Whoa! We're pretty much just randomly shooting.
Oh.
Beep beep.
You killed yourself. Mistakes were made.
Yeah, they were mistakes. Okay. Oh, someone's behind the wall. Wait. Get in here.
Shoot it.
Go run for it.
Let's go.
You guys are probably thinking we're terrible, like the worst, which we are right now.
But when solo, we're the best.
This kid just got this. Wait. Finally. Go behind the wall. Run for it. And this one's walking there. Ready? Oh my god! Okay, let's pick a different kit. Choose class. VMP. I'm amazing at the VMP. That's like my
So am
favorite.
I.
This is my favorite weapon.
But I'm really good at the dingo also.
Me too. Those are my two best weapons that I'm terrible at them right now. Okay, ready? Oh.
We should really use the dingus one more time.
That is actually weird. Stop saying that. It's just gross. Oh, right over there. Yeah! First kill. In like 5 minutes, in like 12 minutes. Hooray. Someone's up here. I'm guessing someone's up here. Ready? Nope. Okay, he's not. We're gonna snipe with the machine gun. You know, it's a bad idea. Go out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. There's like 2 people there. How did we not kill one? I'm surprised. Score. Should we go this way? Yep, that's a good idea.
Yeah!
Woohoo! Oh, I forgot to say.
Wait,
I'm the shooting and the jumping and stuff and reloading.
I am the moving and the aiming. I am moving and aiming.
We suck. We only got 2 kills. That's not that bad.
Check first.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. Well, you can see on the mini map.
You can. I'm looking at the mini map. While running.
Here's the mini map.
I was aiming purifier.
Should we use it? No, it's a bad idea.
Nice.
People probably don't even understand.
Okay, next time we see someone with purifier, we have to press it together.
Here,
We have to use 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Purifier.
Yeah.
Yay!
Ready? Flame throw! Oh.
The sparrow.
I hate people. I hate humankind. Wait, don't move. Beep beep.
You killed yourself again.
You ran into C4.
Package.
Don't get in it.
Get it.
Piece of poop.
Shoot it.
Just wasting bullets. Jump out the window.
Yay!
They should really fix this. How you can jump over walls. If you get high enough.
Get him!
Oh!
You just stole that guy's kill. And you're at the bottom.
Leaderboard.
Hey, we're using handcuffs. These people are probably not using handcuffs unless they're in jail.
Unless they're in jail.
Unless they're in
Shut
jail. Wait, did we even get hit?
No. It would have had a hit marker point.
Yeah, like,
It seemed like we got hit.
it would have been like,
I'm listening to these. I'm listening to these. Hang on. You might die and it's gonna be my fault. Okay. Tyler, you didn't even notice there was a guy right there.
oh, shoot!
Okay. Oh, someone just killed it. Someone killed it.
You guys are the dead weight of the team.
Yeah. We're the ones who are making us lose. Are you ready? There's someone up there. Go.
Shoot him!
We shot him.
Hostile
Other way.
baby!
Okay, should we use a different kid? Oh god, no. Okay, go up. Go down. Shotgun. Doing the shotgun.
No, it was a CUDA.
What's the shotgun?
It was the CUDA class.
This is gonna be so hard with it. Get out of here. Ready? It's gonna be somebody.
Did you fart?
There he is.
Shoot!
Yeah, we killed him. Wait, no, I didn't.
You didn't even
There's gonna
hit
be
him.
someone over here. Ready? Hang on. Go over there now. They spawn over here. Stand right here.
Oh, it's the rips!
God.
It's the rips!
Leave!
It's the rips! It's the rips!
Oh,
Shoot!
God.
Shoot the rips! Shoot the rips! Oh!
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh,
No, we were the last ones too.
no!
Final kill cam, here we go.
Oh, come on. Wait, no, it's not us, is it?
It is.
No, it's not. No, it's not us. Nice job. What kind of kill was that? Okay, let's do another one. Should we do a gun game? No.
No, my hands are getting tired. Please stop this.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
Fine. Okay, that was handcuffed.
That was handcuffed.
We'll show you part 2 in a minute.
Part 2, yeah.
So,
Part 2. Bye-bye. 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 And by the way, this is not Garrett Oxley. This is Creeper Defeater.
oh,
Yeah.